CBK Wahoo here with a how-to make an orgonite pyramid and modify it to be able to use with a Bluetooth test coil for a PEMF riff device. So what you'll need here is a light bulb, some neodymium magnets, here, quartz crystal, some copper wire, and some silicone molds, whatever shape you want to use. We're starting with a pyramid here. So first step is you want to take your light bulb and glue the neodymium magnet to that, either using hot glue. Silicone works the best. I would prefer silicone. It's stickier and seems to hold better if you're taking the bulb off and on of your device. Just a little tip. Use whatever you like, whatever you have. So you'll take that, and then now you want to take your other neodymium magnet and connect it so the polarity is correct. And we'll leave that to the side here. Now you'll want to wrap a copper wire and leave a tail out 3 to 4 inches straight out. That's what's going to connect to your coil and go through and run the frequencies through the crystal. So now, once you have that coil wrapped, and I've already done, you want to tack that neodymium magnet with either like a spot tack it with a glue gun like this, because it's a lot harder to place inside the pyramid and it'll move around too much. So you just want to tack it real quick, and then you'll set that in here just like this. That'll go inside the form with your neodymium magnet there, and then you can take something. You're going to have to take something else across it. I just had bent over another little wire here. So you'll want to take that and make sure it's straight up. So there you go. So neodymium magnet to the quartz crystal, that's wrapped with copper with your wire out. That's going to be your main connector to your Bluetooth coil for PEMF. So now that's the first step to take. And we'll be back with more after. You want to pour this and let it set, and then the rest of the organites, I'll come back and show you how to do the rest. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.